that's an abdication of accountability. Di ba? It's not the House prosecution anymore that's asking her to attend. It's the Senate impeachment court.
Karapatan ni Vice President Sara Duterte na paharapin ang kanyang mga abogado sa halip na personal na dumalo sa paglilitis sa kanya ng Senate Impeachment Court. Legal na estratehiya rin ito ng kanyang defense team ayon sa House prosecutors. Ganito ang tugon ng House prosecutors nang tanungin sa hindi pagsipot ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa unang araw ng impeachment trial.
That is her prerogative. Kapag hindi siya umaten, kapag walang counsel, kapag walang answer, the trial will simply proceed and they will enter a plea of not guilty.
Well, he actually has the discretion not to appear, pero it doesn't sit well. It doesn't look right.
Diskarte nila yan eh. So, it's up to them.
Gayunpaman, ayon kay Bicol Saro Party Representative Terry Ridon, miyembro ng House Prosecution, maituturing itong pagtalikod sa pananagutan. Giit pa nito, nagpapakita ito ng uri ng pagkilala ni VP Duterte sa proseso ng impeachment trial.
Iba na ho yun. So if she doesn't appear, then it speaks of the level of respect that she would want to convey to the Senate impeachment court.
Samantala, dumaluman o hindi sa paglilitis ang pangalawang Pangulo, handa ang prosekusyon sa pagpresenta ng mga ebidensya at testigo.
For the prosecution, so far as we are concerned, our singular focus here will not change regardless of her appearance. We will make sure that we will be able to establish solid evidence to back serious allegations against her, regardless of she will be there or not.
May tugon naman ang prosekusyon sa panawagan ni Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian na bawasan ang trial dates at mga testigo para mapaiksi ang paglilitis.
We heard the statement of the Senate President about this yesterday. And of course, we will try to conclude the presentation of evidence in an expeditious manner without, of course, sacrificing our ability to do it in a proper and an effective way as well. Pag papayagan ho tayo magpresenta ng mahigit sa isang testigo kada araw, susubukan ho natin gawin yan if the time permits.
Unang ipepresenta ng prosekusyon ng testigo at ebidensya laban sa Vice Presidente kaugnay ng Article of Impeachment na grave threats at inciting to sedition. Pero inaasahan na itong maisagawa sa ikalawa at ikatlong araw ng paglilitis. Rosalie Cruz, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.